It's being called evidence of the machinery of death under the former Syrian president's rule. The Commission for International Justice and Accountability has been looking into several mass grave sites since the toppling of Bashar al-Assad's government, and they are flagging it could amount to state-run crimes.
They would dump the bodies in there, and then they would fill the trench, even at such a depth that potentially this area could be used later for normal burials.
Former war crimes ambassador Stephen Rapp claims as many as 150,000 people have been tortured and murdered since 2013, with the remains of as many as 100,000 at this site south of Damascus.
When we arrived, we saw trenches that were dug in that hadn't been piled up yet. We saw in some areas human bones.
Humanitarian search and rescue team, the White Helmets, say it has received reports of at least 13 mass grave sites across the country. The discoveries coming after a week and a half after the fall of the Assad government and days after thousands of prisoners were freed from the Sednaya prison. Thousands of families continue searching for loved ones since the start of Syria's civil war 13 years ago.
There's also now, as we've seen, the very poignant image, the possibility to finally establish the fate of tens of thousands of Syrians who were illegally arrested and detained.
United Nations and U.S. officials are calling for answers and accountability around the sites. Assad has repeatedly denied his government committed extrajudicial killings and human rights violations in its prisons. Kyle Benning, Global News.